वास्को घडोवन हाडिल्ल्या जनता दरबारात गोवा फॉरवर्ड सुप्रीमो विजय सरदेसायान मुरगांवकारांच्यो कागाळी आयकून घेतल्यो। फुडले सरकार 2027 वर्सा एमपीएतले कोळसो कारभार पुरायपणान बंद करतले। एमपीएत क्रूज पर्यटनाक उर्बा दितले। विजय सरदेसायान लोकांक उतर दिला।
एंटायर तालुको बीजेपीचे आमदार आसून हांगा स्थानिक लोकांक न्याय मेळना आनी बीजेपीचे आमदार जे वॉशिंग मशिनान वचून आतां निवळ जाल्ले आसा अशें तांकां दिसता। तांकां जो कोळशाचेर तांणी जें कितें उतर दिल्लें लोकांक तें उतर ते पाळोवंक शकूंक ना। They have betrayed the public and they have betrayed the taluka. As a result of which this is not a healthy taluka. It is a taluka which is on the brink of a health disaster. Number one. Number two, it is a ticking time bomb because of lack of planning. Number three, it is an administrative mess because the MPA seems to be owning the state and the state has no ownership over its own state. गोंयचे सरकाराचे कितले चलता मुरगांव तालुक्यांत हें कांय कळना। हाजे खातीर हफ्तो म्हणटा तो इज बिकम द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डे। सगळे धंद्यांनी हफ्ते चालू आहा। हांगा कार्गो जो येता तो कार्गो भायर काडपा खातीर पयशे मागतात आनी ते पयशे दिले ना म्हणून आज मेरेन कार्गो थंय जिप्समाचो कार्गो कुसता। हे सगळे इश्यूज हांव एसेंब्लीन काडटलो आनी क्लियर कट एक दिश्टी पडटलें की बीजेपी ह्या तालुक्यान येवन हो तालुको काबार जालो। तर लोकांक हांगा बदल जाय अशें दिसता। नाजाल्यार इतल्या लोकांची गाराणी आज आमकां आयकुची पडपाची न्ही। जर सगळे खूश आहा, जर सगळे अच्छे दिन जर चालू आहा सगळ्यांचे जाल्यार गाराणी कित्याक? वाय आर पीपल एप्रिहेंडिंग that there is going to be a mass cutting of trees which is going to give them lung diseases because of coal being handled? Who is saying that there is a dome for coal? Nobody has seen it. The media has not seen it. The elected representatives have not seen it. The opposition has not seen it. So who is saying that the coal is being handled in a closed handling of coal is happening? So there are so many issues. The issue is of traditional occupationists, especially fishermen. The Kharewada beach is in a mess. We don't know whether the beach cleaners have given up on that or they believe this is Pakistan. Nobody reaches the Kharewada beach. Now we are going to go there to see. There are fishing jetties everywhere. There is in Kortali, there is in Panjim, there is no fishing jetty in Vasco. Permission was got from the government saying, from the NPA, saying that the Goa government should do this jetty. I have raised this issue several times. But the jetty is not in place. The new season is about to start. So, it means that entire population of Vasco, whether it is the poor Hindu, whether it is the fishermen, whether it is the minority community, the younger generation which is running the risk of gambling, because gambling is rampant and the ruling party's cadre have forgotten that they are a party with a difference. They are now a gambling party. So it is now BGP. It is the Bharatiya Gambling Party in Murgaon now. But everybody is involved in gambling. So all this, indicates that there is a bleak future for the next generation in Moscow. The traditional.
सुरादेक म्हणटालो पयलीं स्वतेर हांव परत ह्या विजय सरदेसाय जो आमचो गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो प्रेसिडेंट आनी MLA हाका चोड देव बरें कर म्हणटा। कित्याक कारण तो आयज वास्को येयलो आनी लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकोपाक तेणें आयज जायतो लोकांक टायम दिलो। जाणा एकल्यानी MLAनी हे भाशेन लोकांचे जे प्रश्न आहाय ते लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकोपाक थोडो टायम दिवपा जाय आनी जरी तर हे भाशेन तर दिना जाल्यार वोटरांक तुमी जस्टिफिकेशन दिसना। कित्याक आयज इतलो प्रॉब्लेम जरी तर आयज तर ह्याच मार्मागांव तालुक्यान आयज तर प्रॉब्लेम नासले वो कोणाकूय प्रॉब्लेम नासले जाल्यार आयज इतलो लोक येवन आपले प्रश्न हो प्रॉब्लेम आपले विजयक सांगचे ना आसले। सो तेका लागून हांव सांगता जे आयज आमदार जाले म्हणटकूच सुसेगाद रावप ना, लोकांचे प्रश्न आयकप आनी आयज ताणें आमचेय प्रश्न ताणें आयकले।
गोवा 365 खातीर हिरू महाले, मनीषा जाधव आनी संगीता ओली।